Hello people, this is Tommy Tomstar. I'm just going to show you my Swiss Army knife. This is going to be in my survival box video, what I'm going to do soon. This is a victorinox Swiss Army Tinker. Yeah, it's got can opener with a little screwdriver on the end of it, flathead. Then we have a bottle opener with larger flathead. Some pliers. Get good grip with these. You got quite a large knife. Not biggest in the world, but still a knife. Use it for cutting wood, whittling wood. Got a smaller knife with little details like, yeah. Phillips head screwdriver. Get a good grip with this. And I'm not actually altogether sure what this is. Yeah, basically it's just like a small knife type thing. And this knife also comes with a toothpick and some tweezers. They're not the best tweezers ever. They're still tweezers. They're alright. So I just wanted to show you this. It's going to be in my next video, hopefully. Well, it's going to be in one of the upcoming videos. Yeah. Peace out.